to my 3D view, and I'm just going to select these contour plates right here and grab these two handles. And right now I'm on component planes, so I can right click, bind to plane, and choose the same component plane, keeping everything consistent. And I can come now and switch this to boundary planes, and I want to bind this to the face of this plate and also to the underside and the face of this plate. Now what I need to do is bind these plates using the same technique. So I'll highlight the handles, boundary plane, and I'll bind to the column, to the underside of the beam, switch to component planes, select that plane, and just repeat this for the vertical plate, and then we're just about done. So we'll go to the underside again, down here to the face of the column. Okay, so we've bound the fitting, we've bound the plates, and the last thing that I need to do is bind my bolts. So I'll just do that, highlighting the handles, right click, bind to plane. Right now I'm on boundary planes, and I'll just bind them to the same things so that everything's relative and everything will work correctly in this component.
Yeah, one of the questions that's coming in right now throughout the webinar is about how we're going to hide these plates later. These plates are not part of this component, and I think Lee will be planning to show how these will be hidden later on in the webinar. Yeah.
Yep. I'll go ahead and hide those when we get to editing the variables and things like that. So, alright, I think that just about does it. So let's go ahead and click on this display variables. This should open up all of the bindings that we have applied to the connection. And let's go ahead and scroll down and see how many we have. So all in all, we have 69 bindings. So for each handle, times 3 is how many we have. And you can see all of these different values that are associated to it. Okay,